Hello student, now we start velocity time graph for uniform velocity. Here we discuss about a train is moving with a uniform velocity of 60 km per hour for 5 hours. ट्रेन की वेलोसिटी कितनी है 60 किलोमीटर, टाइम 5 आवर. The velocity time graph for this uniform motion is shown in figure 1.7. You can observe this figure. According to this figure, with the help of the graph, how will you determine the distance covered by the train between 2 and 4 hours? This is the time 2 and 4 hours. So student, we solve our first question. S equal to Vt. S means displacement, V means velocity, T means time. So we know that V 60 kilometer. We find distance between 4 to 2 hours. That means 4 minus 2. Then you get 2. Train's velocity 60. Then 60 multiplied by 2. Then answer we will find 120 kilometer. Okay. Next, second question is there a relation between the distance covered by the train between 2 and 4 hours and the area of particular quadrangle in the graph? What is the acceleration of the train? So the area is A, B, C, D. Okay. Again, you know that velocity of train is 60 km per hour. Timing 4 minus 2. Then again we get 2. 60 multiplied by 2, then we get 120 km. So the acceleration of the train is 0 because acceleration means change the velocity. Here initial and final both velocity are 60. That means there are no change in the velocity. So we can say that the acceleration of train is 0. So for the first question, S equal to Vt. V 60 multiply by 2, then we get 120 km per hour. For second, area ABCD again 60 km per hour. 4 minus 2 we get 2. Again we get 120 km per hour. Now we start velocity time graph for uniform acceleration. Here you can observe the change in the velocity of a car in a specific time interval are given in the following. So time in a second 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And the velocity, initial velocity 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Here you will be observe the time interval and velocity are almost same. So for solving the graph, in left side y-axis we are choose velocity and x-axis we get time. So you can observe in this graph the velocity change by 8 meter per second in every 5 seconds. So find the distance covered by the car in the time interval 10 second to 20 second. Now we using formula S means displacement, average velocity into time. So we use this formula. Now average velocity, that means 16 plus 32 divided by 2, and time, that means 20 minus 10. After solve 16 plus 32 divided by 2 we get 24, multiply by 20 minus 10, then we get 10. After that we use This 24 multiplied by 10, we get 240 meter. After that, here S equal to area of DABC equal to area of DAEC plus area of ABE. After we put the all value of in this formula, so now we put the area of DABC, then 16 meter per second into 10 second. After that, equal to area DAEC, that means half, 32 minus 16, then we get 16. Multiply by area of ABE, that means 20 minus 10, then we get 10. After solving 16 multiplied by 10, we get 160, half 16 multiplied by 10. After solving, we get the answer 240 meter. So this is the solution for velocity time graph.